Hi guys, this is a very big video for me, huge video in fact. And for those of you who have been with me for a lot of years, what you can see on the screen now in terms of chart wise will probably put a big smile on your face. You will be like recognizing an old friend, as it were, the original Pat software. For those of you who have never seen this, who have been using TradingView, or you've just never seen the Pat software, I'm going to go through obviously and explain what this is. Of course, that will come in another video. But what I want to do is to really explain to you what happened, why we've arrived back here where we are now. And some of you will already know the story, some of you won't, I say. So I'm going to repeat it here, and just so as you understand where we're coming from. So originally when we had Pat software for many years, I don't know how many years, I can't think, it might have been 20 years, I don't know, I can't think of that. I've actually got some old videos that old of me live trading with it, which I might pop on the screen if I get time. But it was very different to this, of course, all those years ago. Now I had teams of programmers which done all that work for me, and we produced the Pat software. And I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars over the years developing that software. And eventually, it got to the point a couple of years ago or a year ago, I can't remember when it was, the programmers warned me and said, look, we're retiring, we're shutting down our company, you have to find something else to take this over. Now this time the code base was huge, it was a nightmare issue, and so it became really a logistical nightmare for me to do this, and the cost of it was going to be astronomical. Maybe as much as $200,000 just to get the basics sort of set up by the time you've hired programmers, etc. So I then looked at TradingView, and I got the indicator, and we got it working all on TradingView, as it were. But it was never the original Pat, of course, because we had to go back to candles and things like that. Now it's been great, and you've loved it, and it's great. I'm delighted about that. However, it's always left this gnawing pain inside me that, what if, how could we have developed the Pat software? How could we have kept going with the Pat software, which was so successful? And then along comes AI, and I thought to myself, I'm going to have a go at this. I'm going to see if I can learn about programming. And then if I can learn about programming, then I can do this, and that would be really cool. Because one of the big things is not necessarily paying the money to a programmer. It might be a lot of money, but it's not the real issue. The issue is that when you so I have a trading methodology that I've had for donkey's years since I started, 34 years ago, decades ago. But when you try and put that or explain that to a programmer, which has to then put it into technical programming language, it becomes very difficult. And a huge amount of it gets lost in translation. And of course, because I previously wouldn't have any understanding of programming, and the programmer wouldn't have any understanding of trading, you end up with this mixture that never meshes quite right. Nothing to do with programmers, nothing to do with me, it's just the way, it's two different languages you're trying to communicate with. So long story short, I taught myself how to program, and I built several apps, most of which were horrific failures, but that was sort of a learning process that I went through. But eventually I got good enough to build what you're looking at now. And this is the first iteration of it. Well, there's been many iterations to get to this stage. What I'm saying is the first time I've got to a stage where I've released it now, and I've got it out for testing for a few people who are going through and helping me do this. But I'm getting to the stage now, within probably a week or so, where it's going to be able to have access to it. Now, just quickly on this, I'm not going to turn off TradingView. Okay, so if you only ever known TradingView, it's not a problem. It's still there, and that's it. There's going to be no more cost for you to log in and get access to the Pat software that we're looking at now on the screen. No cost to you at all on that. It'll just be the same subscription as it is. I suspect very quickly you'll just flip over to this when you see what I'm about to show you. So I'm going to very quickly have a quick whiz around the dashboard, and then I'm going to make another video on trading with it. So we'll keep this very separate. So I've rambled on along a bit on there, but I wanted to give you some context about why it's come back on board, the history of it, why it's well proven over decades. But this version is electrifyingly good, because I was able to put in this what I always wanted in the original. So let's have a quick look around some of the menus and give you a brief overview. And like I say, there's going to be some things on here that I'm going to just briefly point to, but I'll come back to those on other videos. Okay, so just starting across on the top, we have these, sorry about that, we have these tags set up, or tabs if you like, and we can use on these, and they're pretty much the same sort of thing where you think about a bookmark, so you can go into set your charts up, and I've got the top 4 on here, and I've put a lot of things in here to make it quite easy and nice in terms of usability, and I just put this top 8 pairs on, so you can just show. Now clearly you wouldn't be trading on 8 pairs of there, but I just wanted to show you on that. And then I've got top 6 over here. These are just desktops. Now there's a little arrow down in the bottom here, and if you hover over these, you'll see like tooltips, and this says opens in a new window, and I'll just do one of those, and you'll see that this gives you a new window. And this is because if you've got multiple monitors, you can then drag these around. And unlike TradingView, there's no restriction on these. So, you know, with TradingView, I think you can only have like 2 tabs or 4 tabs or something to do with your professional level. And of course, you have no need to purchase or maintain TradingView anymore, because this is all in one, the package, as it were. And then you can add new tabs as it were down here. Okay, I'm just going to refresh that, just pull that up, reload that page, and you'll see the data all comes in. And I'll just go down to a 2-chart layout, because that's going to be easy for us to see. And we've got this little gap up you can see this morning. Okay, so I'll get to that in a moment. Now, on the top here, we have a little padlock here. Now, the reason I put this in, because one of the things I hated about TradingView was you could very easily change the currency pair that you're on, and you wouldn't really realize it. So I put this little padlock up here, and once this is unlocked, see down here, you can click down here, and these are all preloaded for you. These are the top 12 currency pairs, the most traded currency pairs on the planet. These are them, they're already in. You don't have to go on a hunt for these, they're already wired in. And then once you've chosen your pair, you can then click on that and then lock it, and that's done. Time frames, here's all your time frames set up in here, nice and easy. This little live button just tells you that we're live. When the market's shut down, that just goes off, so you can see it's not live. These are something I brought over from the original Pat, show 30 last bars, 60 bars, 120. And the reason this was on here, you know, sometimes you've got to scroll around and you're doing this and looking where you're going. Well, here you can just click on here, show the last 60 bars, show the last 120, show the last 30. It's a very easy way of doing this. Now, I knew a lot of you hated the fact that you'd lost the 90 pip tool, the trade rangefinder tool in Pat. So I built that in as well. And these 3 lines on here, if you click on this, you can now drag this, and this gives you the trade rangefinder tool. Now, again, I'm not going into all the depth on these, because I'm going to make individual videos for that. That's what that is for there. And if you just click on that, it disappears. And remember, we had this tool here, which was the trade retrace tool. Remember, we used this for retrace tool. That's available as well. And here we can just go up to maximize the chart if we want, and minimize. Okay, so that's a quick walk around for that. Now, there's a couple of things I'm just going to point out to you without actually going into them, because I'm going to do those in another video. One of the most important things that you can have as a trader is a journal. But there's this hassle of you have to get your journal, fill out your journal. It has to be monitored and updated right in it, or keep it on your spreadsheet, and it all becomes difficult. It becomes a thing that you don't do, and yet that's the one thing that will make a massive difference to your life as a trader. So what I've done here, I've built the journal into the software. Now, I'm going to explain this in more depth, but imagine a journal that not only automatically records what you do. So in other words, if you click on a buy or sell button down the bottom, which I'll come to in a moment, that will open up into a window. Your buy order will then go straight through to the broker. Now, we don't have broker integration at the moment. We have direct integration into the journal, but I'm just waiting for to connect the pipeline into an array of brokers where you'll be able to trade directly from the actual Pat software. You want to put your trades in, put your stops in. Everything will exist within the Pat software. You can move your stops and do everything. So imagine a journal that keeps all this information, but an additional factor is that, as we know, psychology plays a lot of part in a trader, how they overcome that and how they work with it, all that sort of stuff. And there's a difference between paper trading, as you'll know, and then live trading. So what this journal does is I've got this hooked into to make it in somewhat intelligent journal, so that every time you place a trade, you check a couple of boxes, how you were feeling, that sort of stuff, all done automatically, and it goes in and then zips off and you don't see it again. But what's going on is the journal is building out behind the background. Only you have access to this. It's totally logged in by your server. I don't even have access to this. You've got your own login and everything. And then what you can do is you can request a report. And so what will happen is that the journal will give you back a report, not only all your trades and how you're doing and your percentages, your averages, and where you're winning and where you're losing, but also it will psychologically profile you in terms of what are the psychological issues you're having, or what are the psychological benefits you've developed. So that's going to be on there. There'll be a whole new video on that. So that's the journal. I'm just going to show you where that is just quickly, give you a taste on that. So when you click on that, this appears here. It says trade journal, and you can see when it says here that when you place a trade, this automatically opens. And what I've done is I've made this rather an annoying feature. Not really annoying, but anyway, unless you've filled this out, which only takes a few seconds, every 30 seconds it will slide out until you do fill it out. So it's going to force you to create the journal as you're going. So let's get rid of that. Now, over on this side, you'll see up on here, there's 3 lines on this little icon here, and this opens up this panel here, loading positions. And you see there's no open paper positions because at the moment, because there's not a broker checked in, connected, this will just give you your paper trading. So I'll get rid of that. And these buy and sell buttons, these are now wired in, and that's what you will actually use to buy and sell on your broker platform if you want to. You can still have your broker beside if you want to. You don't have to deal through Pat software. I take absolutely zero commission. There is nothing that I take off of this. There is no skim off the top or anything at all. No broker fees, no introduction fees, no nothing. I do not get involved in that at all. And one other thing I'm going to mention at this point, which we'll go into detail more, is that this is not a broker feed. The data feed is not from a broker. This is very important to understand. So a lot of charting packages, when you connect to a broker, you get the broker's feed. You're not getting a pure data stream, as it were. This is connected directly to a pure professional grade data feed. It's very expensive, but it's the best you can get. So what you see on this screen may differ slightly to what you see on your broker, but this is the real genuine price that you're seeing live at the moment, instantaneous. Okay, so I'll say that'll be wired in later on. And then we go across, and this button up here, I'm just going to show you this now, which is just basically sync cursors. This allows you to sync cursors. And you're going to have your account here where you can log in, and there's all sorts of stuff on there, and there's some really cool stuff in there, which I will reveal to you later. So anyway, that's it for the introduction video, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this as much as I've enjoyed making it. I am very excited about this. I'm excited for me, I'm excited for you guys, and I'm so looking forward to taking this to the next level we go through. What I've got coming up in the next video is going to really excite you. I know already that the traders that have worked with me for years and know about the original Pat software, I know you're going to be extremely excited at just looking at like the areas of this on the chart and down here. I'll say we'll get to that soon. So thank you very much. I will catch up with you very soon on another video. By the way, sorry, just before I go, you will have access to this within about 4 or 5 days, which I will give you a login. You can go and log in, and away you go from there. Do not sign up for anything, because if you're already subscribed, you're getting this video, and you will get instant free access into this. Well, say free access, it'll be part of your existing subscription. So have a great day, and I will catch up with you soon. Take care.